The grand innocence of youth, if we're fortunate enough to experience it before the real world gets in the way, that innocence can be a magical thing. In many ways, it's where nostalgia is born. We just don't know it yet. When adulthood rolls around, those early days, that's what we think about. It could be childhood, teen years, perhaps even your early 20s. Youth can be defined in many ways, and as Father Time pushes us forward, oh, to be 16 again. When I was a child, I played with Hot Wheels, small miniature cars, if you're not familiar, and I can recall on some occasions moving just one Hot Wheel a few inches and then standing up and jumping up and down with excitement. You couldn't tell me that I hadn't just won the lottery. So, where am I going with this blast from the past? If your cat, especially your young and vibrant cat, makes noises while running, most notably while running within your home, it's likely the result of an energy overload. Your cat is chasing one of your other pets, chasing a toy, chasing you, or just running around for the sake of running. Those sounds, almost like a stock car during the Daytona 500, well, it's contentment at the very heart of the adventure. In addition to the happy times, the sound could also be the byproduct of the movement itself, the energy that is being used. Have you ever taken a few laps around your local walking track, running track? Whether it's you or someone else, it's common to hear noises. It can be quite humorous, but it's really just the body in motion. When someone passes you on the track, you can often hear the sound of the journey, let's call it. The same is true for happy and playful felines, zooming right past your sofa, sound effects on full display. Now, in full disclosure, I didn't realize this was an actual thing until several years ago. Caring for much older cats, felines that were far beyond those chapters of life that involved running for an Olympic medal, you can just imagine my shock when I took in 4 kittens. It wasn't long after, while they were playing, that one of my cats just sped right by me at full song, engine finely tuned. Do they all do that? I wonder to myself. It got to the point where no sudden movement, no sudden jolt of energy could be done in silence. There was a soundtrack for every adventure. So, if your healthy and happy cat makes noise when they move through life, it's just the contentment talking, a body in motion singing a song, just happy to be going through this race of life. Does your cat make noise? Have you ever been watching TV and your cat just comes blasting into the room with all of the sound effects? If you've got a story to share, please let me know down in the comment section below. And until next time, I'll talk to you later.